everybody, Jackie here with Bryan Weber from Weber Automotive. Hey Bryan, how's it going?
Good, Jackie. How about you?
I'm doing well, So let's talk today about the importance of alignment in your car. Now, having misalignment can lead to, no longevity, your tires go bad, a lot of problems can come up.
Premature tire wear.
Ooh.
Yeah, tires can be over $1,000 on some of the vehicles today. And having a car that's out of alignment will shorten the life of the tires. And if it's way out of alignment, there was a BMW customer that came in.
That's a nice car.
Very nice car. It was the high-end BMW, like the sports car type car. $800 a piece were his tires.
Wow.
He killed them in a week because the alignment was so far out of whack in the back.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So alignment's really important.
It's extremely important, not only for tire longevity, but for fuel consumption. If you can imagine, if you ever roller skated, when you've got two sets of wheels on 2 feet, if you point both your toes in, that would be a misalignment and it slows you down. And it does the same thing with your car.
I never thought about it that way. If
it's out of alignment, it slows you down. It takes a lot more gas to keep you going down the road. Also, it can cause a pull from left to right, which is dangerous. So alignment's really, really important.
Absolutely. So when you have your car aligned and you make sure you're staying on top of it, you're getting the best fuel consumption that you can, you're staying efficient, you're keeping your environmental impact low, you're avoiding costly tires or potentially repairs or expenses. And you guys have a really interesting alignment system at Weber Automotive. So tell me a little bit about this.
Yeah, absolutely. So this system here, you can see that right down here, this is a 11-inch deep pit, which this lift that lifts the car up goes down into the pit, so it's flush. So basically, when this lift is all the way down, it's level with the concrete surface. So for a lower profile car that might not have a lot of room between the bottom of the car and the ground, Corvettes, other sports cars, it's really important because on typical alignment lifts, where if the lift was set on top of the surface of the concrete, they would bottom out going up on it. With our lift being flush mounted, there's no bottoming out at all, not even a possibility of that. The other thing we've done with this is we've extended this lift, so long pickup trucks, long vehicles that won't fit on any other racks in the city, we can easily handle that length. And it's a hunter system. With the latest alignment software and all the specifications, so we can get the alignments completely accurate.
Wow, that's awesome. And that system just really, again, the importance of alignments to keep your costs low, to keep your environmental impact low, to make sure that your car is running smooth, to make sure that you're getting it maintenance on time, and just keeping your ride nice and keeping it clean, especially for those sports cars, especially for more expensive cars, and especially for trucks where they might not be able to get that in an independent shop like yours.
Absolutely, yeah. Well, you also have to have a technician that cares. And there's a specification sometimes can be broad, like you're allowed to be from one specification to the next. You could be within those specifications, which are in tolerance, and a lot of alignment shops, and a technician may not care, sets the alignment to be within those specifications. To get it right in the middle is optimal. That's what we go for, to get it right in the middle, and that can be a big difference in tire wear and gas mileage. So we believe that when you take care of the vehicle right and you set it up right, an ounce prevention is worth a pound of cure, and the better it works, the better service you're going to get out of it.
Call Bryan Weber at Weber Automotive or visit them at weberautomotive.com. Get your alignment done right the first time by technicians that care. Thanks, Bryan.
Thank you, Jackie.